SimLab VR Studio and SimLab Composer offer a huge variety of 3D scenes and models that you can use in creating a VR experience. If you were to click on the Libraries tab in the bottom panel, then select 3D scenes, you will find multiple 3D environments to use as the base for your VR experience. And under VR experiences, you will find a number of built interactive VR experiences in various domains that you can use or learn from by exploring how they work. As for 3D assets, you can go to 3D Models and you will find a collection of free-to-use 3D models provided by SimLab Soft. There is also an integration gate to Sketchfab, which is a well-known source for 3D models that you can access straight away from SimLab VR Studio by clicking the account icon and logging into your Sketchfab account, which is free to create, and then going back to SimLab VR Studio and browsing or searching for a 3D model. Once you find a model that interests you, simply drag it and drop it on the 3D area to download it. SimLab VR Studio also offers a huge library of materials that you can use on your model. To access the Materials library, simply click on the Materials tab in the bottom panel. Browse to the Materials catalog, and once you find a material that you like, drag it and drop it onto an object in the 3D area to apply the material to it. As for learning resources, from the Libraries panel, you can access the SimLab Academy, which is a huge collection of video tutorials that you can watch, along with the necessary 3D assets that allow you to follow up with the tutorial and practice the tips and techniques yourself. From the Help menu in the bench at the top of the screen, you can also access the SimLab VR Studio documentation, as well as the YouTube video channel, where you can find more tutorials and guides, and you can also access the forums and the blog for more written guides on how to excel at SimLab VR Studio. We hope that you have enjoyed this training series. For any questions, do not hesitate to contact us at support@simlab-soft.com.